We have another 2 points. Again, we're supposed to find the equation of a line. So what we're supposed to do first, because slope is not given, we have to find the slope. Now, this is my first point, P1, and this is my P2. This is my coordinate x1, this one is y1, x2, y2. The formula for slope says m slope is equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I have y2, 8, minus y1, which is equal negative 10, over x2, which is equal 5, minus 3, equals 8, negative times negative gives me positive, over 5 minus 3 is equal to 8 plus 10 is equal 18 over 2. 18 divided by 2 gives me 9. My slope is equal 9. In order to find the equation of the line, we're supposed to use the point slope form, which look like y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. Next, we have to plug in the numbers into this formula. We have y minus, and y1 is equal negative 10 equals slope 9 x minus x1 is equal 3. Negative times negative gives me positive, so I have y plus 10 equals 9x negative 27. Next, I'm supposed to move this 10 to right side because I have to solve this equation for y. Y is equal 9x minus 27 minus 10. Negative 27 minus 10 is equal negative 37. That's why I'm going to write y is equal 9x negative 37 minus 37. And this is the solution to my problem.